Are you looking for a safe and comfortable place for your little one to sleep on the market and latest model? Check out our top 5 best baby bassinets. These bassinets are perfect for newborns and provide a cozy and secure place for your baby to rest. So let's get started with the list. List number: Cloud Baby Premium Baby Bassinet Plus Hanging Doll. The Cloud Baby Pack and Play Portable Bed with Hanging Doll will make any space in your home look like a nursery. The Cloud Baby Premium Baby Bassinet Plus Hanging Doll is the perfect way to bring your newborn or toddler into the world. With its sleek wheel design, you can easily move the crib from room to room, allowing kids to play with their stuffed animals while they sleep.
This pack and play bed has an aluminum frame that allows you to quickly assemble the bed
and secure it to the wall or set of furniture with ease. The mattress is made of hypoallergenic materials that are gentle on newborn skin, making it great for sleepovers at grandma's house. This pack and play bed features a hanging toy that attaches to the side of the crib with our swing pocket, as well as a bassinet that allows for healthy sleeping for babies and toddlers up to 20 pounds. Our portable crib is made from aluminum, and the dimensions are H39.50 by L35.04 by W28.35 inches and weighs 19.8 pounds. List number: Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper. Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper equipped with an adjustable, fully adjustable mattress and mesh sides for ventilation. The Bedside Sleeper offers additional space for your little one in these early weeks. The product is made of sturdy aluminum for safety, durability, and easy cleaning. Our Bassinets Bedside Sleeper is designed for safety and comfort, with a spacious shape memory mattress and fully compliant to ASTM, CPSIA, and CCPSA standards. It's suitable for babies 0 to 6 months up to 50 pounds and features 2.5 centimeters thick material that provides support and protection for your baby's spine. A retractable feet allows it to fit with any size bed, including box beds, which means it is suitable for changing your baby's sleep position at any time of the day or night. The product adopts environmentally friendly water transfer printing technology to create the grain on its surface, which makes it easy to clean. List 3. KE 3-in-1 Baby Bassinets. KE Baby Bedside Crib has a zipper design on the side, which can be easily opened to help moms take better care of babies. At the same time, the mesh structure, while ensuring ventilation, more convenient for the mother to observe the state of the baby at any time. Especially for any mom who is nursing or having a C-section, it is truly a sleep saver and improves quality of life. This baby bassinet is equipped with 3 convertible modes. It can be used as a standalone baby bassinet, bedside sleeper attached to the adult bed, or baby cradle. Constructed of thick aviation aluminum alloy frame, this baby bedside crib is lightweight and stand firmly when ready to nurse, breastfeeding, or feed. This KE baby bedside crib has a zipper design on the side, which can be easily opened to help moms take better care of babies. List 4. Bassinets Bassinet for Baby. The Bassinets Bassinet is a must-have for all new parents. With an easy and economical design, your baby will sleep soundly in the bed of comfort. The mesh sides are easily removable and can be used as a mosquito net to keep insects out when you want to sleep at night. The mosquito net allows for glancing through for checking up on your little one. In addition, it folds for easy storage or transportation, as well as space saving you from having to travel with too many things. Changing modes on this bassinet is quite simple. Erect or fold the feet of the bassinet to toggle between its 2 modes. This versatile bassinet is the perfect choice for your growing family. The lockout foot prevents your baby from rolling off, and the mosquito net keeps them safe and sound. The simple, quick folding mechanism allows for easy transport, space-saving storage, and safe transportation. List 5. Yackle Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper. The Yackle Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper is a perfect addition to any nursery and creates a cozy, comfortable environment for your little one. This bassinet is equipped with 2 convertible modes. It can be used as a baby bedside sleeper or standalone baby bassinets. This baby bassinet is equipped with 2 convertible modes. It can be used as a baby bedside sleeper or standalone baby bassinets. Stylish, functional, and easy for the changing product of your baby. Yackle Baby Bedside Crib has a zipper design on the side which can be easily opened to help moms take better care of babies. Moms can reach in to soothe baby or take up baby for a feeding when needed. With mesh structure, this bassinet is more convenient for the mother to observe the state of the baby at any time.